How to duplicate a Shopify store quickly. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate your store on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and log into your Shopify account. And once you're in your account, you gotta redirect yourself to the homepage, so you'll be able to see something like this. So you gotta head over, go to the search bar and click on apps over here. And then you gotta search for Duplify. That is Duplify, and then you gotta click on this one, that is Duplify Duplicate Store. It has 4.7 star rating, and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So you're gonna scroll down and the left section, and then you're gonna click on install over here. And once you do so, you'll be able to see that the installation process will begin shortly. So you'll be redirected to the Duplify admin Shopify store. So over here, what you're gonna do is simply click on install. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to another interface where you're going to simply head over, connect your store, and you're good to go. So here you can see something like this. So what you're going to do is first you're going to connect your store. So you wish to export your data out from this one store so that you can duplicate that. So you can simply click on start export, or you wish to import some data into the store, so you can click on it. So once you click on export, you'll be able to see where are you exporting data to. So you're going to select the destination store unique key, the store name, notification email, and then you'll be asked to choose export options. So obviously, if you have a store that is up and running and successful, then you can duplicate that. And after that, you're going to choose your plan, and then you're good to go. You have successfully duplicated your Shopify store. Now, if you wish to head over to some frequently asked questions, so here you can see it is what is Duplify, why use Duplify, what are export events, what can I export with Duplify, what happens if I don't use all of my export events for the month, and how many stores can I export to. So you can just have a look over here. And that is basically how you can duplicate your store on Shopify. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.